How many movies have you seen where people are stranded in the desert? What's the only thing they manage to say? What's the only thing they imagine seeing? Water. We need water to live. Why would you ever leave on a trip without it? The 45-liter water tank is a rack-mount water storage solution that is easy to use, feature-rich, easy on the eyes, and purpose-built by the Front Runner engineers to last a lifetime. Keep your water supply within reach, but out of the way. Made of food-grade polyethylene, this tank is BPA-free. Features brass pipe fittings on both sides of the tank. Optional Front Runner premium water tank hose kits sold separately. The included mounting brackets are designed specifically for a Front Runner SlimII 2 rack. Whether it's on the roof, in a pickup bed, or on a trailer, you can easily remove the tank by hand without any tools. Sleek, strong. Uh-oh. You guys forgot to pay the power bill, didn't you?
That's accounting. Can we get some phones in there so we can finish?
No problem. Crossing. Watch your backs.
The Front Runner 45-liter water tank, engineered tough for off-road travel. You provide the adventure, we'll provide the gear.